In this video, I'll be calculating this product, 8.23 multiplied by 2.4, using lattice multiplication. Since I'm multiplying a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number, then my grid, my lattice, will have 3 columns and 2 rows. And each of those grid squares will be subdivided from bottom left to top right, because for each of our digit by digit products we may have up to 2 digits that we'll need to write into that grid square, so we'll need a place for the tens place and for the ones. The next thing for us to do is all of those digit by digit products. 3 times 2 being 6, so I write in 0, 6, that's a 1-digit number. 3 times 2 is 6, we have 2 times 2 is 4, or 0, 4. 8 times 2, that's 16, so here 1, 6, 16, and I'll do the same for all the other products. 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 2 is 32. Next, in our lattice, we notice that we have these diagonal strips of numbers, and we'll add along each of those diagonal strips and write our sum below. In our first strip, it adds to 2. The second strip, we have a 6 and a 1 and an 8. Everything in this strip adds up to 15, so we'll put the 5 down and carry the 1 to the next place. The next strip, we have 0 and 4 and 0 and 2 and 1. That adds up to 7. 0 and 3 and 6 adds up to 9. And finally, we have 1 in our last strip. The one last thing for us to do is to decide where the decimal place goes, and here the lattice tells us. We'll follow from the decimal place in 8.23, we'll follow down vertically, and in 2.4 we'll follow along that line horizontally until they meet up, and they meet up at this point. We'll follow along the diagonal line from where they meet to the exterior of our lattice, and that's where the decimal place will go. Our final product then is read from the left side along the bottom, 19.752.